What's up, guys? It's Niecy Rachelle, and I am back at you with another video. So this video, as you all know, Bath & Body Works has all these huge sales during, November and December, and I did pick up some 3-wick candles. Let me see. I think I have, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so I have a total of 9 candles. It cost me a little over $100. The candles were, I think they were buy one, get one half off or something like that. Or, no, they just were, no, I think they were on sale, like just on sale. Yeah, because I paid like $6 for one of them. Yeah, so, I did pay a little over $100 for them. I did order them online, so I had them shipped to me. I did not go, I'm not going to stand in that line with them people. But yes, I just want to show y'all the candles I got, the scents that I like. And I did order some new scents that I haven't tried before, so yeah. So let's get started. So I like how Bath & Body sends their candles. Instead of them, like, you know how usually you get candles and stuff, they're wrapped in tissue paper and then you have all the popcorn foam inside there. They actually individually box each candle, and I absolutely love that. Yeah, I ain't put no jewelry on. I don't have no lashes on. I just kind of came out here. But so this candle is 1,000 Wishes, and this is what that looks like. Trying to get me a thumbnail. So I love this one. 1,000 Wishes, to me, it smells like perfume. It actually smells like a perfume my mom wears, and I can't even tell you who it's by, but I love this candle. First time I ever smelled it, my aunt had gave it to my mom, and listen, I was supposed to be going to pick up the candle for my mom, and she almost didn't get that candle. That was about to be my candle. But for 1,000 Wishes, I did get 5 of them. I got 5 of them because I want to gift someone with one, and then I wanted my mom to have a couple of them, and then a couple of them were for me. So this is another 1,000 Wishes box. So this is another one of the same candle. So I'm gonna have to really look at these, huh? So I bought so many of the same ones. Okay, so this one is Limoncello. I really like this one. This is a scent that my aunt loves, and so I fell in love with it too. But it just smells like clean, fresh lemon scent, like cleaning products, and I love it. But the Limoncello falls under the White Barn. What is this? The White Barn collection with Bath & Body. So this is Limoncello. It comes in a little yellow glass vase, and it's 3-wick. Y'all, I just love how that smells. And Limoncello, I did get 2 of those. So I paid a total of $12 for it. So I think they were like 2 for $12.25 or something like that. That had to be what it was, cause so this might be my other Limoncello, because it's a White Barn candle. Oh no, this is a different one. So this one, I didn't put this in the box where I can see it. Oh, this is Peach Bellini. So a Peach Bellini is an alcoholic beverage. And I had the Peach Bellini hand sanitizer from Bath & Body, and it smells exactly like a Peach Bellini. So like, if you don't know what a Peach Bellini smells like, I'm hoping this candle smells exactly like that. But Peach Bellini, it comes in a peach glass dish. Yeah, it smells just like the freaking hand sanitizer. Like, oh my gosh. But this is also a 3-wick candle. All the candles that I'm showing y'all today are 3-wick. The Peach Bellini is a part of the White Barn collection as well. So if you're looking for that, it's going to be under White Barn in Bath and Body. It actually says White Barn on the label. And y'all, I'm almost 99% sure there used to actually be a White Barn store. Like, I was pretty sure that that was actually a store too. But I got one Peach Bellini. I didn't buy a lot of those. This is fresh orange. I only got one of these as well. I wonder, yep, this is part of the White Barn collection too. Yeah, I can't open them, the boxes. And this one actually is in a peach jar as well. It's a 3-wick candle. It smells like, it smells like oranges, but it smells like those orange lifesavers, the hard ones. That's what it smells like. And I'm cool with that. But I only got one of these as well. So I didn't, it's not really what I wanted. The one I wanted, y'all, I ain't even get it. I had ordered champagne toast because everybody's been raving about champagne toast. So I'm like, okay, I need to try this and see what champagne toast smell like. Y'all, I did not get my champagne toast. They literally the next day emailed me and was like, these items weren't available for your order, so they canceled them because I guess everybody was ordering champagne toast. And I'm just praying that they did it in the order of who ordered it first and not just cancel anybody's and gave them to whoever. But they're doing they're having a sale today on the 3-wick candles, and what I'm not going to do is go up there to do that because I'm not feeling it. But yeah, so that is my Bath and Body mini haul. Because again, I only got 9 candles and 5 of them were the same. And then I got 2 of another one. So yeah, that is it on this. But this is my little return slip they sent me just in case. But I'm not sending nothing back because I like my items and I'm a candle fanatic. So I'm not gonna send no candle back unless it was broken or something. That's the only reason I would send it back. But other than that, that is my Bath and Body Works 3-wick candle mini haul. For everyone that's out shopping today, enjoy, don't hurt nobody, and Merry Vlogmas. I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, and your mother. Get everybody on the channel, y'all, because I really love doing this and I love talking to y'all, even though it look like I'm talking to nobody in the moment. Like if you came in the room right now, you'd be like, okay, this girl up here talking to a camera. But I love doing it. Y'all stay tuned because Vlogmas is gonna be lit. Like we gonna make Vlogmas work for real, because it gotta work, y'all. But yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all so much and